Hey guys, welcome back. I'm Phoenix and this is the beautiful Lou Tyson, who's my model today. You may recognize her from a previous client tutorial where we did a Kim Kardashian inspired look. I'm going to link the video down in the description box below, so check that out if you guys want to. Today's look is more natural. It's just a really glowy look. I really wanted to use cream eyeshadows and creams on the cheeks to get a really gorgeous glossy finish. So if you guys want to recreate this look with me, keep on watching. So the first thing that I'm going to do is brush through the brows with a brow comb, and this just helps to set them into place. Then around the whole brow I'm going to take our Phoenix Camouflage Concealer, which has a really nice creamy consistency to it, which is a great base for brow color to go on top. So then using brow color, I'm just going to really lightly and naturally fill in Lou's brow just to give her a really nice shape and arch. Then starting on the eyes, I'm taking that Camouflage Concealer again as an eye base, and I'm going to go around the whole eye area, so over the whole lid and brow bone area, packing the color on densely and then just softly blending it out. So then I'm going to go in with some color. So I'm going to be taking our Phoenix Cream eyeshadows, which have a really beautiful creamy consistency, and I really recommend a cream eyeshadow if you're wanting obviously a glossy look, but just for ease because it is so quick and easy to use. So if you're in a hurry, grab a cream. So I'm just placing this color on to the eyelid area and softly blending it up into the crease. This shade is called Taupe. Then with a slightly more shimmery tone, it has a little bit of copper to it. I'm going to place that on the lid, and again I'm just going to place that on and blend it up softly into the crease area. Honestly, cream eyeshadows are just so good if you're in a rush because you don't have to worry too much about blending. They're really simple and easy to blend out with an eyeshadow brush, or often you can just use a finger and it still achieves a really beautiful look. So then using a Phoenix eyeshadow called SandPiper, which is kind of a frosty shimmery tone, I'm just going to dot that in the center of the eyelid area, almost to give a halo effect to the eye. It just means the cream is going to grab that shimmery shadow and just make it pop. So once we've done that, I'm going to apply a little bit of inner highlight to the inner corner of the eye. I'm just using our Phoenix powder highlighters to do that. Of course, if you have a creamy texture, go with that too. And I'm going to use a little bit of that powder highlight above the brow bone. Now we're going to conceal under the eyes, and I think even if you're doing a natural look, if you need concealer, make sure you go in with enough coverage. So I am using our creamy Camouflage Concealer again, and this is in a full coverage, and I'm just placing it on with my brush, and then I'm going to get my beauty blender and blend it out so it has a really nice softened finish on the skin. I think it's a mistake to go too natural under the eye if you need coverage there, so don't be afraid to use concealer if you need it. Then I'm going to apply black mascara, and I'm going to put some Phoenix lashes on, and this lash is in the style called Harlow. It's just a really beautiful kind of fluttery dolly lash, but it isn't too strong. It just gives a nice amount of volume to the lashes. I applied a little bit of our smoke eyeshadow along the lash line and then black mascara under the lashes as well. Now we're going to go in and get the skin all glowy and dewy, so I am using the iconic liquid illuminator drops. This is in the gold shade. I think it's like shade 02. It's the medium depth shade. So I'm literally applying this over the whole face because I just absolutely adore this product. I would literally drown in this product if I could. It is just beautiful on the skin, and you just can't have too much of this on. You look a little bit like a Tin Man, but hey, it's okay. Blinding is the goal. So now I'm going to take our Phoenix Custom Blend Foundation. This is a liquid foundation, and I'm going to go over the liquid highlighter. Over the top of that liquid highlighter, it just gives a beautiful finish on the skin, so you can kind of see that glow seeping from underneath, but obviously we lose the Tin Man effect. So with our Custom Blend Foundation, I'm just applying this with our foundation brush, and then I'm buffing it out using the Phoenix buffing brush. I didn't need to use any concealer on Lou today, so I didn't, and I didn't powder either because I want this to be a really glossy, glowy finish on her skin. I did use a little bit of blush. I'm using our Phoenix blusher called Dahlia just on the lower cheek area. I didn't use any bronzer to contour or anything like that on her cheeks. So then taking those liquid illuminator drops again, I'm just going to go and add that again on top of the foundation onto the upper cheek because I just wanted to make that area really pop so that we had a really beautiful soft glow going on. And then to finish this look on the lips, I'm using a lip liner called Flesh. I'm literally only doing the Cupid's bow and then the bottom center of the lip, just really softly with a flesh tone pencil. And then over top, I'm using a gorgeous lip color called Blossom Rose. It just gives the lips such a beautiful glossy pink shade, and it's just really simple. It's just a very, very simple glossy lip. And then that's it, guys. So really at the end of the day, this is such a simple makeup look, but it's really effective, and I just love always the texture that a glossy eyeshadow and a glossy cheek gives your skin. It makes you look incredible and healthy, and it's just a beautiful, gorgeous look. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to check out my other video with Lou, subscribe to my channel, and have a fantastic week, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye!